Good evening, everyone. I am Lady Mimangoy, 19, from BPED B. Cannibalism. If you were put in a position for survival or tradition, would you be able to eat another person? Cannibalism is something that's been around for generations for survival, in the case of nations. Some animals and people will consume the flesh of another organism, exactly like them today. I will be informing you of why people and animals do this. My name is Lady Mimangoy. I will be explaining you more in depth that cannibalism. I won't be starting with the traditions of cannibalism and why some animals have tendencies to do. This is very common for some societies and people to practice cannibalism, especially with sacrifices and eating blood once most detailed. Examples of cannibalism takes place in the Amazon tribes and very secluded island nation, which is believed that eating a past loved one would grant them safer passage into the afterlife because their flesh is being transferred into someone still living, and it helped them carry on many people. Though that if they were to eat the flesh of someone that has passed, they were gaining their characteristics and get their qualities. It, it, is, it does also have numerous examples of cannibalism in which it was their only option for survival. Like in numerous examples of like shipwrecks and crashes of planes and stuff in rural areas where they're not able to get food. They would eat the dead of companions. Cannibalism is legal in all situations across the entire world, and it's considered a major taboo. Alright, now that we've talked about why humans do this, let's talk about why animals and insects do this. For our animals, cannibalism be very beneficial because if food supplies can be strict for them, so eating themselves kind of relieves. In that case of spiders and frogs, they are known to eat their own offspring for food. But actually, that can increase the survival rate of the offspring, because there's less competition between them in terms of competition between insects and animals. Sometimes, the vector is normal for them to eat the loser, to devour the body, and the same can be said about the animals. The same as a human, because when Germany necessity, they will end up eating each other. In conclusion, cannibalism is not something that can happen completely at random, and most of the time, there is a solid reason behind it. And now that you were more informed about cannibalism, I hope you find it a bit interesting.